Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we've got this for sale, a Kawasaki GTR1400. So these are an absolutely fantastic touring bike from top to bottom. The shaft drive, so you don't have to worry about your maintenance with that. The keyless entry, and they've got a massive 1400 powerhouse engine which is shared with the ZZR. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate, 12,763 miles. And it's lovely. Obviously it's got the 3-box luggage with the bike as well. They work with the key from the ignition, even though it's keyless, it's the key there. I'll show you. They've got traction control, they've got ABS. You've got a power screen, which I'll show you. So I've got the key in my hand. You push that in for it to register. There's a key there. Turn it to on. So power screen, which is awesome. Traction control, ABS, a nice digital display there as well, so plenty of information. I'll give it a start up for you in just a minute, but first, if you want to come round the other side. So, coming around this side of the bike, there's a bit of protection there on the front axle. These GTRs as well, they come with factory heated grips that are all part of this same thing. And if you turn the bike on, you've then got a storage unit there as well. And then coming around towards the back again, if you look right down there, of course you've got a centre stand. You've also got some more protection there. And I'll just show you inside the boxes. Like a lot of luggages on a lot of bikes, the other side's compromised by the exhaust and the half the size. These ones aren't. So they're both big, and they've both got tank bags inside there as well. Right, I'll give it a start up for you so you can hear it. It's also worth pointing out as well, it has got the full LED front lights as well. Right, if you fancy this bike, all you've got to do is pop down to the showroom or just simply give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.